Just when I thought I had my microphone situation all figured out, my DIY U67 just entered the mix. Here we go again.
You're listening to The Dangerous Mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov. No excuses, no BS, no pants.
Another microphone has entered the arena. Yeah, you know what? I woke up today on my day off wearing a sloppy t-shirt, got in the booth to do a little vocal warm-up and a little tone work to set up my rig for tomorrow with, the new lineup. And I realized I'd forgotten to add something into the conversation, and that was my DIY U67 U87 hybrid, otherwise known as the Unobtainium. There are 3 of these on the planet. That's it. I have one, Blake Morgan has one, and Chris Barron, the lead singer of the Spin Doctors, has one. And I designed this mic to be a little bit more cleaner in the lower mids than a 67. So really to be more like an 87, have the focus a little bit more, in the upper mids, really. So it'd be clean really in the presence area. So I like this mic a lot. And I had been hesitant to use it in the booth because it's a tube mic. It's got a beautiful EF86 I sourced from Bowie. It's got a Neumann capsule in it. I think it sounds really great. So we're just going to bounce from mic to mic. And, this is stupid. 4 mics in the booth is stupid. So I got to figure out what's the best lineup. What's going to work the best? What's going to make me the most money? Come on, let's figure this out. All right, so so here is the BCM-104. You can hear the transformerless circuit really more open. Then you don't really hear that tighter low mid right in the bottom end. You don't hear how the transformer sound, really that transformer squish in there. And then when you get here to the UT-Twin87 in vintage mode, I feel like you get a little bit denser in the low mids. But then when you get to the Soyuz, I think this has the most density in the low mids and the lows. So we're just going to read some copy. You know what? Hold on. All right, yeah, I have it here. So what we're going to do is we're going to read, this is Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. Yeah, Road Not Taken. Here we go. So again, BCM-104, Unobtainium, UT-Twin87, Soyuz 017 Fed. All right, I'm going to start over here. I got to lean over here so I can see the copy. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood. Hold on. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Okay, so yeah, a little bit breathy and low, more of a narrative kind of tone for something like this. Here, let's just do some commercial copy. I don't have anything pulled up. I'm just going to do the same tag I always do. Yeah, very creative, Mark. All right, here we go. Lease a brand new Honda Accord LX for only $219 a month at your local Honda dealer. Lease a brand new Honda Accord LX for only $219 a month at your local Honda dealer. Lease a brand new Honda Accord LX for only $219 a month at your local Honda dealer. Lease a brand new Honda Accord LX for only $219 a month at your local Honda dealer. All right, so what do you hear? Do you hear a vast difference? Because I think that really we are talking about a wider swath of that 87-ish tonality, that 87-ish sonic signature, which of course is what producers listen for in auditions. So, I mean, to me, I think the 87 sonic signature is going to be the basis, the foundation of my sound. Whereas before, I think my sound was really more of a 416-ish. We're talking before we met. So, what do you think? Okay, so again, here's the Twin 87. Here's the Soyuz 017 FET. Here's the Unobtainium. And here is the Neumann BCM-104. All right, so help me out, all right? I want to know what you think, because I really got to pare this down. This is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, I can't. This is silly. All right, so leave a comment, all right? Because this is important. I'm asking you to help me out here and figure out what stays and what goes back in the mic closet. All right, until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.